So guys, do you know the right way of applying perfect lipstick? And do you know the necessary steps you need to follow to achieve that perfect professional look? If you don't know, you don't need to worry. My name is Sarish and I make makeup related tips and tricks videos. In today's video, I am going to show you all these tips and tricks. Let's get started. First of all guys, as you can see, my face is without any makeup. I haven't applied anything, just to show you how my lips look without lipstick. My lips look dry, and as you can see, my lower lip doesn't have much definitions or any outline. This happens to many of us, especially as we age, because the skin change over time and sometimes the natural line of our lips fade or don't show up clearly. So guys, if you apply lipstick without prepping your lips, you will see how bad it can look. Your lips can appear chapped and uneven. So to solve all these problems, I'm going to show you the right way to apply lipstick. First of all, you need a lip scrub. If you don't have one, don't worry, you can use any Vaseline. Just apply it directly to your lips. Here I am using the shea butter lip scrub, and I bought this from Dollarama, and I will scrub my lips from about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will use a toothbrush to gently rub off any dead skin from my lips. After this, you will notice how plump and smooth my lips look. Next, I will apply some concealer around my mouth area. The shade I'm using perfectly matches with my skin tone, and I will blend it usually a foundation brush. And after blending around the mouth, I will also blend a little onto my lips. This will help the lipstick color stand out more and look even. Now I will show you how lipstick look without using a lip liner. Lip liner is very important when applying lipstick because it gives your lips a beautiful defined look. Sometimes for liquid lipstick you may not need a lip liner, but in most cases lip liner is necessary to fix uneven lip shapes. So guys, I applied the lipstick without the lip liner and it doesn't look good or defined or polished. Many people have lips that are not symmetrical. Sometimes the upper lip is higher on one side and the lower lip is lower on the other side. Lip liner helps correct these issues. Now before applying the lip liner, I am using concealer to line the outer area of my lower lip just slightly outside my natural lip line and blending it a bit. As for my upper lip, it's naturally well defined, especially my cupid bow, so I don't need to do much there. Now I will apply the lip liner over the concealer. I use small strokes going back and forward to outline my lips. I place my small finger on my chin to help steady my hand. Make sure to apply the lip liner all the way to the corner of your lips because it looks good and beautiful. And apply a small amount of liner to the inner corner as well, but not over the entire lip. For my upper lip, I slightly overline just outside my cupid's bow to make the lip look fuller, but only a bit. Then I continue lining along the natural lip line. Sometimes you might notice that one side of your lip liner is higher than the other. To fix this, I take the same foundation brush and rub it gently over the mistake. Then reapply the liner in the correct spot. So guys, I will make the line just little bit over the cupid bow, and then I will join with the natural lip line. Then I will blend little bit this lip liner with my finger. So guys, the lip liner that I used is from the Sheen, which is one of my favorite. Now I am applying the lipstick, which is from Clinique in the shade Mocha Pop, and I fill in my lips with the lipstick, and as you can see, it gives my lips a beautiful shade. I love this color. So guys, before applying the lip gloss, I will apply again the lip liner that I already used. and here it goes little bit out, and I will fix with a small concealer brush, and just slightly I am fixing it with the concealer brush. Now I will apply the lip gloss in the shade A50 from the Clinique, and I will apply this lip gloss on my lipstick and give my lipstick a beautiful shine look. Let me share some of my favorite lip liners. The first lip liner I really like is Spice 110 from Rimmel London. It's a beautiful pinky tone, and you can even use it as a lipstick if you like. So guys, the next shade is 790 Brownie Pie from Rimmel London, which is a lovely brown tone. This one works especially well with the nude lipsticks. Another favorite is my bold red shade 05 Intense Passion from Clinique. Today I also tried shade 524 Coffee from Sheen on my lips, which is a rich coffee tone. At the end, I removed my lipstick to show you how my lips look without it. Since I had already scrubbed my lips earlier, you can see that my lips doesn't look chapped or dry. They appear soft and smooth. So guys, this is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it and learn how to apply lipstick perfectly. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and it really helps me to go on YouTube. Also, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to ask in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye.